So this is how we managed to save some money. He told me, Sebastian told me that McDonald's, we have an app for that they do have deals of the day. So now what we do is we go to the deals, and then there's this one, free McDouble with minimum purchase of $1. So we're going to do that. According to Sebastian, that you can only use deals per hour. So we're going to use that deal. Yes, use it. And then add to order, and then add more. So I want large because you have to purchase $1, right? So let's do that. Order more, and then we're gonna go to order a large Pepsi. Yeah, reorder that, and then there you go. Let's see, McDouble large, and then I don't want this one because he's not gonna let me to have a cookie. And then you're only paying $1, and then that's it. So it's really nice to save some money. And then he's the one who told me about this one. So every time if we're craving for McDonald's, it's just less than $5. We're not paying the whole amount of the menu, of the meal. So yeah, and then you're going to select for the payment, place the order, and there you go. Hold on, let me see. There you go. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go there, and then we're just gonna go I'm here, and then oh, it doesn't look like that. I'm there. We're gonna go there, and then we're going to pick this up curbside. So yeah, so that's how you're going to be able to save more money and eating fast food. So yeah, we just got here at McDonald's, and then drive through number 2, and then on here I'm already select pickup option, and then curbside, and then you're going to put number 2 because that one is number 2, and then finish and pay. And then there you go, and then it's done, and then it's already deducted to your card right away. So that's how easy it is to use the McDonald's app, and then you're going to be able to save more money. And yeah, so if you like this video, comment below, what do you think of this app? Have you used this one? Have you tried this one before? We want to hear from you guys. And then if this saving tips is helping you, probably we should do a playlist on this one. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. This is Carlo from Carlo&Seb channel. Do what makes you happy. Bye. Go. Yeah.